What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about the 3 mistakes that new resellers make. All right, let's jump right into this. First off, let me say that today my 6-year-old graduated from 1st grade, so I'm super pumped for him. I'm a proud dad. He made honor roll all year long, principals list for one of the little periods, whatever. He did excellent. So honor roll the whole time. That definitely does not come from me because I have never been an honor roll student. I didn't even know what honor roll or principal's list or dean's list was until I met my wife, and she's always been on the dean's list in school. So shout out to Ethan, 6 years old, honor roll all year long, super pumped, smart kid. Now, you'll remember a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, that I said that I was going to film throughout the week and then show kind of what happened and just do like one video per week. And that was the idea, that was the plan, that was the goal. However, I fell short because I recorded all of last week, and then Monday I went to go get my memory card and put it in my computer and start doing the editing, and I had deleted all of the footage mistakenly. For whatever reason, I went to do a photo shoot and I cleared the card. I thought I had transferred the info and I hadn't, and so all of that information is gone. All of the video footage is gone. So here we are, starting fresh and new, and this is sort of like a key lesson. All right, so let's talk about the 3 mistakes that new resellers make when selling things online. Whether you source books from bookstores and sell them on eBay, or you source products from the thrift store, clothing, and you sell them on apps like Poshmark or Mercari. These are 3 major mistakes that newer resellers make, and I kind of went into the reselling game with keeping these 3 things in mind so that I didn't make these mistakes. But I've been following a lot of people that are resellers on Instagram, and I'm seeing them doing these things. Number 1, not spending enough on new merchandise. It is so easy to get excited whenever you sell something. You buy a $1 item and you sell it for 40 bucks. And now you got 40 bucks to go out to eat, or to go get a new shirt, or to put towards your sneaker fund or whatever. There's a problem with this, and that is if you spend that $40 on something that is not going to pay you back in the long run, you've wasted it. My methodology for this, and like to avoid having this happen, is when I sell something, regardless of what price I purchased it for, I take the sale price that I sold it for, and I take 60%, so 6 out of every $10, and I use that to buy new merchandise. And then I take 40% and I keep that to do whatever I want. And so this is the only real sustainable method. This is the minimum sustainable method in order to grow. Now, if you're just kind of buying things with pocket change and flipping it to just make a few extra bucks, that's cool. That's your cup of tea. No problem, no sweat, no judgment. Do that. If you're trying to actually make waves, make a career out of this, you have to invest more back into the business than you take home. Number 2, not searching sold prices. I have friends that I've seen them do this. I have people, like I said, on Instagram where I'm very, very active. They're doing this and they're showing, oh, this thing is selling for $200, or this item over here, this iPod is selling for $500. Maybe it's listed for $500, or maybe that t-shirt is listed for 200 bucks. But it doesn't matter what it's listed for. I can take this cup right here and I could list this cup for 3,000 bucks. If you're not smart, if you're not intelligent with how to search prices, you're going to end up never selling anything. You always check the sold prices. So when I check eBay, I go on there, type in whatever I'm looking for, and it'll bring up the results. It'll bring up results that are for sale. You go to the filter button, top right-hand corner, you click that, it brings out a list of all the filters. I click sold. That activates the sold and completed filters, and then it will show you everything that has actually sold. It will show you that this is only a $1 cup. You're not going to get $300, $500. Check the sold filters. The 3rd and final thing is inconsistency with your listings. inconsistency in general, but mainly with listings is what we're talking about here, because there's a thing called an algorithm, and everyone likes to complain about the algorithm, but really it doesn't matter, because, kind of on a side note, let's chase this rabbit, okay? 20 years ago, there were no internet algorithms, and everyone was out mowing grass. I was out at 12 years old, exactly 20 years ago, mowing grass in the summertime. This time, 20 years ago, I was mowing grass for 20 bucks a yard. It was hard work. I had to allot money towards the fuel and the oil and getting new blades, and I would just walk around my neighborhood. Okay, there were no algorithms. The work was much harder. Nowadays, fast forward 20 years, we're here. We've got social media. We've got online selling platforms. We've got selling apps. We've got the internet at our disposal, and people want to cry about the algorithm. Sounds like a load of garbage to me, because literally all you have to do is sit down on a chair with some pictures on your phone and put them on the internet, and you can make money. So I tell people, it all balances back to these three things. Inconsistency. If you're not consistent, the algorithm that all of you love to cry and complain about is not going to push your products. Okay, so I have found, and I don't know if this is exact science, but I've been paying very close attention. I've actually experimented just a little bit. If I post 5 or more things per day on Mercari, or if I post 10 or more things on eBay every day, I'm making more sales. Now, this could be the algorithm. Maybe I've hacked it, or maybe it's simple mathematics, and the more stuff you have online to sell, the broader your net that you're casting. Anyways, I like to think it's the algorithm. I like to think that I've hacked it, and if you list 10 items per day, that is 300 items per month, then the algorithm says, hey, push this guy's products because he's a really serious person. I feel like this is the thing. Like, I feel like I've hacked it. If you haven't already checked me out on Instagram, you should go do that. I will leave right here down in the bottom of this video. I will show my Instagram handle. Go follow me. I literally go shopping every week, thrift stores, garage sales, whatever I can do to go shopping for stuff. And I'm showing people what I'm actively buying and the online comps, whether it be from Mercari or eBay, which I'm every day selling things on. Also, if you haven't already seen my challenge video, I'm doing a $100,000 challenge with Mercari and eBay, to where I've challenged myself to make $100,000 or more by the end of 2018, from April 1st to December 31st, just by reselling stuff. So I am on track right now. This past Saturday let's not worry about this past Saturday. Let's talk about this coming Saturday, which would be the 16th of June 16th. Projections I need to make from April 1st to June 16th is $840. That's my gross profits. That is selling everything and all the fees be taken out and all the shipping be taken out. What is coming into me? This is the number that I would divide 60 to 40. Okay? The goal is $840. I'm already, as of today, $920 into the challenge. So I am $80 ahead of where I need to be, and it's only Monday. We all know, if you've been reselling for any amount of time, you'll know that Fridays are the heavy hitting days. Those are the days that you get paid because everyone else is getting paid and they're buying all your stuff. So list 10 things per day. Make sure you check the comps. Make sure you check what sold for what price, and you're pricing things accordingly. Jump on this challenge. If you jump on this challenge, literally, like today, I can send you the spreadsheet. I'll link my email below in the description. Email me. I'll send you the spreadsheet. You can check it out. Jump on this. If you're serious, if you're dedicated to it, you can make close to, if not hit that 6-figure mark by the end of the year. All that being said, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got value from it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, smash that bell, and leave a comment. later.